Hi everyone, Tyler with Management One Property Management, and today I wanted to share with you a little bit about when looking to raise rents on your rental property. Right now, some of you out there might think, no, I don't want to do that. All I care about is having a good renter in there. They pay on time, they don't complain, I have no issues with them, I don't want to raise the rents. Which is awesome if you have a renter like that. However, I want to share with you a little bit of how it could be a benefit actually to you when raising rents, and maybe how to do it if you're not looking to do it. Now, one of the things that some companies out there may do is obviously raise rents year over year, right? And this is not just to take advantage of renters. I know we've heard some feedback that some people think that's what we're trying to do. That's not what we're trying to do at all. Obviously, no matter what in life, whether you're owning, renting, buying clothes, whatever the case is, right? Cost goes up. And so you as an owner, you need to be cautious of that. One of the things that people don't realize, homeowners and investors don't realize, is that property tax goes up each and every year. Property insurance goes up each and every year. You have inflation, you have all these other factors. So if you're not raising your rents, you're actually not benefiting yourself, in lack of better terms. And so the thing I want to go over today is, let's take for example that your rent is $2,000 per month that you're getting from your renter, right? And let's say on average you're going to raise your rents $50 per year, right? So that's about 2.5% of that $2,000 per month. And I know a lot of numbers might be flying around, but stay with me and I'm sure you'll get it at the end. So we're gonna raise the rents, let's say on average about $50 per year. And let's take this over a 6-year span. So year one, you're gonna raise the rent $50 on that 13th month, right? For that next second year, okay? And then after that, you're gonna raise it another 50. And so what I'm getting at is the compounding interest effect that this has. So if we look at it, year one, you start at $2,000 in rent. Year two, you raise it $50, so now you're at $2,050 in rent. Over a 6-year span, raising it $50 per year, you're actually putting $12,600 in your pocket by doing nothing different but by raising rents. And here's the catch. There is no catch. The renters, most of them are not going to move just because you raise their rents $50. Now, with that said, what you do need to make sure of is you're managing it yourself, or if you're looking to hire a management company, that you are on top of it and you are giving the service that the renter wants and that they deserve. Because what we've found and what other companies have found is the number one reason why renters actually move out of the property is not because you raise the rents. It's because of the service calls and how the maintenance items get dealt with, whether it's not in a timely manner, the vendors aren't doing what they're supposed to do, they don't show up on time, they don't do the job correctly. Those are the big reasons. So it's not because of raising rents, to be quite frank. And that's just over a national average. So again, I hope this video was informational for you. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, we're always here to help with anything and how we can assist in any way possible. Please give us a call. Again, my name's Tyler, Management One Property Management. Have a great day and we'll talk to you soon.